This is the Mantova 100% pure liquid coconut oil spray bottle. This is a 5-ounce spray bottle here. A while back, we switched to making our own popcorn at home, and we wanted it away from the bad popcorn with all the seed oils and things like that. So we're popping this fresh at home. This is organic yellow popcorn kernels popped, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put this coconut oil spray on here, and it's going to season it so we could use it with this butter salt, or we use some tilted sea salt. So it just works really well here. You just open the top up here, just put some sprays on here. You just spray it down, and then you put your seasoning on here. You just mix it up, and it just holds the seasoning really well. This coconut oil has a lot of other uses. You could use it for cooking and things like that, but we focus on the popcorn use here. It's a small amount it's 15 calories per spray. You get 82 servings. You get 82 sprays out of this bottle. So we're very happy with it. Making the switch to the homemade popcorn just does a really great job, has a great taste, and this coconut oil is exactly what we need it for. So definitely want to check this out. It's the Mantova Liquid Coconut Oil Spray 5-ounce bottle.